Have that focus, because if you remember the drama that played out at the Kannur railway station, and day after the Kerala Health Minister Veena George was hospitalized and injured after the KSU protest there, now information coming in that the minister has been discharged. As the state minister who had sustained injuries during a protest that was carried out on part of the KSU, who were raising protests at different venues and different areas where the minister was involved in these engagements. Well, it seems that the minister was injured in her neck and thereafter was hospitalized, and this very incident that was condemned by the Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. Let's connect with Arpita once again on this. So she, being a Minister for Health, Women and Child Development, Veena George, information coming in that she's now been discharged.
Well, Amita, yes, she was taking medication from Pariyara Medical College in Kannur. So what we are being told is that at around 4 a.m. today, she was discharged. Now, it needs to be seen if she'll need further medication or care, because she will be going to Thiruvananthapuram. There she will show to a doctor and decide if further anything needs to be done. But after the protest had happened and all of the cures happened, there was a lot of political this where CPM leaders were saying that KSU, which is the student wing of the Congress party, they purposefully tried to hurt her. Also, in fact, the FIR also stated that these leaders came with weapons to attack the minister. But on the other hand, Congress leaders are saying that it just happened in that chaos, and Minister Veena George is trying to act and show whatever.
She was on her way to Thiruvananthapuram, as far as boarding that train, when at the railway station, at the platform, we are looking at these protests that turned violent, in which the minister was injured. However, Arpita suggests, and the reports coming in, that the minister has been discharged early this morning. But let's stay on the story and talk about how tensions flared during a protest in Kerala after the state minister Veena George was injured, triggering sharp political reactions. As I said, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has also hit out at the Congress student wing, who has condemned the attack, calling it as mob violence.
നാം ഗൗരവമായി ചിന്തിക്കണം. ഇതിനെല്ലാം നേതൃത്വം കൊടുക്കുന്നവർ കേരളത്തെ ഒരു കലാപഭൂമിയാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് ശ്രമിക്കുന്നത്. ഇത് അത്യന്തം അപലപനീയമായ ആക്രമണമാണ്. എന്നാൽ ഒരു കാര്യമേ പൊതുവെ അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കാനുള്ളൂ. അവരാഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നത് നാട്ടിൽ സംഭവിച്ചുകൂടാ. നമ്മുടെ നാട് സമാധാനത്തിൽ കഴിയണം.
So condemning the attack that happened on the State Health Minister Veena George, that is Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. However, information coming in that she's now been discharged. Arpita, thank you for that update. Back after a short break, you're watching Times Now.